Hello, how are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be telling you how I passed my Cisco Certified Networking Associate Certificate and how to become the best networking engineer that there is on the entire planet. With the CCNA, you're going to be going in for some serious dough. I mean, if you pass your Cisco Certified Network Associate, this is going to lead to an amazing career path. You are going to get big money. If you can learn the skills of networking, you can make a lot of good money. I've seen guys make $200,000, $250,000 working big contracts, making a lot of money. And the first step is to get your CCNA. It is the most widely recognized Cisco certified, the widely recognized networking certification that there is. Every employer knows what it is. You pass this, you're in the golden leagues. You're in the golden leagues. I was able to pass a while ago, and then I recently got recertified, and I'm going to tell you the tips and tricks that I use to help pass. And again, I'm a very young person. You know, you look at me, I'm not old, I'm young. You can do it if you're old, if you're young. You don't need any experience in computers. You just need to have a little bit of hustle, a little bit of grind. You can get it, and you can get a job for a lot of money, and this can change your life. And I'm not joking, guys. I worked at some of the top Fortune 500 companies, designing their network, doing things for their networks, and designing the whole network structure. So I've done that before, and I've worked as a network consultant as well as many other things. So it is not uncommon to hear about people who pursue these certifications to become very successful. Now, how did I do it? Okay, the first thing I did was I got a book. I got my Cisco Certified Networking Associate textbook. I ordered it online. I started reading and reading and reading and reading. This was back in 2017. And then I got some routers. I got some switches. I made my own home lab. And I started doing practice labs. I started practicing everything that I could using the Cisco terminal. I watched a lot of Keith Baker videos. I took the course on CBT Nuggets. Don't be afraid to invest in courses, because this is going to be your future. If this is something that can make you $200,000, it's worth the $1,000 you're going to spend in training. And so I am going to make my own training for free for you guys to teach you guys how to be just as successful as I am. In this new course that I'm launching online, maybe I'll charge $49.99, or maybe I'll make it free for you guys. Who knows? But the whole premise is that you can go out and get a job with the government. You can get a job with a big firm, and you make some big cash, and then you'll look at the $1,000 that you spent and you'll be like, oh, that was chump change. Another really good tool to use is Cisco Packet Tracer. I can't tell you how much I really love this tool. Back when I was studying, it was free. I think it still is free. But if you use Cisco Packet Tracer, you don't even have to get a home lab. Technically, if you want to get the CCNA, you don't really have to get the home lab. You can if you want to, but you can do it entirely on Cisco Packet Tracer, which is like a simulation of routers and switches that you can make your own home lab environment without even having to spend a penny. I'm going to leave the link to the book that you need to pass your Cisco CCNA down below in the description. Be sure to click it. Be sure to get the book. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Tezzan channel. And my advice for you guys, and I want to just say this, is like when you're going over the concepts in the book, do not skim. Do not try to just put it in one ear and out the other. The concepts build on each other. So if you don't understand one concept, it's going to make it very hard to understand the other concepts. It's not like some of these other certifications where you can get by if you skip some of the contents. The networking certifications have knowledge that is built on top of each other. So if you don't understand the basics, you're not going to understand the advanced topics. Another thing I want to talk about is you need to know the topics that are talked about in the book in and out. You have to become a master of what they're talking about in the book. It's not like a CompTIA exam. You really, really, really need to know each and every topic thoroughly, because they will ask you question after question after question. They really want to make sure that individuals that are certified really know what they're talking about. And so they take a lot of pride in knowing that if someone is Cisco certified, they know what they're doing. And so I've almost never run into someone who is Cisco certified that didn't know what they were doing in the networking world. So it's a very prestigious certification to have, and it can open a lot of doors. And I'll be honest, it opened a lot of doors in my career. And so I'm here on the internet to try to help you accomplish the same level of success that I have accomplished in my career, and hopefully we can grow and build together. It is my goal to become a career coach online. This is kind of a side thing I do on the side, but I hope it helps you. I'm going to leave a link down below to the book that you're going to need for the Cisco CCNA and how to pass it. I'm going to recommend some courses that I'll leave the link to down below. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, guys. I'm going to be in the comment section 24/7 to answer your questions. So don't be afraid to let me know if you have a question that you need an answer to, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you guys and give back to the community. So let me know if you have any questions. You can watch Network Chuck. He's a great resource. You can watch a lot of other YouTubers. In no way is it a competition. I mean, we are all friendly. We are all a family here. So don't be afraid to ask me any questions. If you need a video request, if you're trying to improve yourself in your career, I'm a career coach here to help you. So let me know if you liked the video. Be sure to leave a like. Be sure to subscribe. If you want me to make more videos, if you want me to tell you about my career, whatever videos that you guys want to see, let me know and I'll make a video about it. Thank you so much for watching.